What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. XRP Army. I know people are excited about what's going on right now with the government, with implementation, with the pro mindset on cryptocurrency. XRP is leading that front, right? Ripple, XRP, Bitcoin, Solana. They're kind of leading the front, leading the charge when it comes to accepting crypto, like believing in crypto a lot more, not only on a financial standpoint where you're accepting it, but just accepting it mentally. And more people that are traditionalists, like, hey, we want cryptocurrency. Now, on the kind of other side of that, not full other side, but to a little bit of a branch off from that path, you have a lot of meme coins that are being created. Meme coins are something that's bringing a lot of attention, a lot of hype, a lot of new investors into the cryptocurrency space, and they're bringing all of these people by the fact that we have so many gains, right? The FOMO, people are missing out on large gains from many different plays, and they're being created on Solana, being created on Ethereum, being created on Binance Smart Chain, as well as what we see now being created on XRP. And I feel like any XRP memes are definitely going to catch a lot more fire and attention because of how big XRP is right now. So, and will be for the near and distant future. So what we're going to talk about in this video is that one of those meme coins is going to be Pongo. Guys, if you could hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. I will provide all of the links for Pongo in the description at the top of the description if you guys are interested. Now, before I get into this, understand, the mindset of meme coins, right? Meme coins are about everybody finding a way to make money. And if they become worth what, say, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are, and Pepe are, and, even up to levels of multiple billions of dollars worth of market cap, like a dog with hat, that comes out of nowhere, you could see so much success for pretty much everybody that is here. So it's with the growth that you end up seeing that. But know that it is a meme coin and anything could happen. And I want you guys to do your research on it. If you believe in something, don't literally throw all of your eggs in one basket. It doesn't matter if it's a meme coin or a utility coin. Do not throw all your eggs in one basket. Just make sure, you protect yourself in the end with every position that you're getting into. Now, when it comes to Pongo, this is something that really crossed my desk and was interesting because obviously the XRP trench warriors, you're talking about meme coins, kind of living and dying in the trenches and making sure that, they kind of survive past others that are there or have the levels of popularity, where you do have the XRP trenches. So let's go into that. So Pongo isn't just a skunk. He's a warrior born in the meme coin trenches, where countless coins rise and fall in the blink of an eye. Born with black and white fur, Pongo wears his colors with pride, symbolizing his loyalty to XRP and his mission to unite meme coins under one flag. For Pongo, the XRP blockchain isn't just a platform, it is his battleground. And he's ready to lead the meme coin revolution. Let's go into the mission that Pongo has. Pongo stands boldly against the conventional currents of the crypto world, challenging the status quo with every transaction. His mission is to break free from the chains of traditional investment norms, where speculative frenzy often overshadows true potential. And we see that time and time again within cryptocurrency, right? Especially with XRP, taking away the thought of traditional investing in traditional transactions, and kind of move into that area, that level of accepting crypto transactions and using that as more of a store of value as well. Here's the attack plan, which is basically their way of going about establishing themselves within the crypto community, uniting the troops, assemble a formidable force of meme coin enthusiasts and XRP believers. A strategy: rally the scattered forces under Pongo's banner, promote unity, through shared vision, community events, exclusive token benefits, invading the enemy objective, disrupt the. I like how they continue that kind of military, like army, where you have an objective, you have the strategy to go into it, right? It's kind of cool. Disrupt the dominance of the established meme coins and conquer new territories. Launch surprise attacks via significant token burns, which would be great for longevity if you are holding for a long period of time, if this does catch a ton of popularity. This is the thing that I've seen with meme coins that have potential, right? Having that burn in place is fantastic for what the future could hold, because that means that if you are buying now, if they are burning and they stay with that popularity, you now have a better chance of seeing higher and higher prices, and everybody else does as well with these burns that are going on. Utilize XRP blockchain speed and efficiency to outmaneuver competitors, capturing market share and investor interest. Growing the community, they're looking to grow the community, and also listing on exchanges and various other things that they do have in their attack plan, which is good, right? You see a roadmap that's created, and knowing that you want to establish this in a certain period of time. What's the strategy going about that? Typically, you only see what the objective is, but you never really see what their strategy is going into that, which is always interesting. Let's look into the position itself. I know we waited a long enough time to look at that. Pongo is currently standing at a $12.43 million market cap. It has $368,000 worth of liquidity, and it's seeing a 24-hour volume of $608,000. Total market cap is $12.32 million. You're also seeing a total, total supply of 99.99 trillion. And when you see those burns that can happen, that slowly decreases at that supply, which right now you're seeing a price that's 0.0, like 0.000001231. That's where it currently stands. Again, a $12 million market cap, and seeing this point, it was, around a let's say it was more than double, so it had to have been, up in the 20s of $1 million market cap. And we can see this go a lot further, and especially with burns, you could potentially see it go even further than that. So again, this is a meme coin, came across my desk, very interesting, color matching when it comes to XRP and Pongo. Also, just understanding what it could be, right? Because XRP memes are going to be big, right? Because you have every chain that has their popular meme coins. And right now, I don't think we have a major one that is established right now when it comes to XRP, and correct me if I'm wrong. But if we can have a battle, if we can have more and more meme coins that are being created on a very popular, chain, I feel as though it's a big deal for all people that are involved. So let me know what you think about this. Have you gotten word of this? Has this come across your desk at all? Do you have any others that are in mind? Let me know in the comment section below. If you guys want to check out Pongo, I will provide all of the links down there in the description. I'm going to get out of here. Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.